Alongside the rise of the internet came a new type of software. Rather than being purchased and installed on a local machine, applications started to be delivered over the internet. This is known as software as a service. Many of us use software as a service every day without realizing it, like when collaborating on a live document or sending a message on Microsoft Teams. So, what are the benefits of software as a service? Because the applications are hosted by a remote provider, you don't need to install and maintain them on in-house computers or servers. In other words, you don't have to worry about managing complex IT infrastructure. You just access it over the web and pay for what you use. The service provider also handles software updates, meaning you'll always be using the latest and most secure version. And because you can access a software as a service application from anywhere, colleagues can collaborate in real time from any location. At Vodafone, we offer software as a service, email and office suite such as Google Workspace and Microsoft 365. Licenses can be organized as part of a managed service, meaning there's no need to deal with multiple brands and no IT management to worry about, meaning you can run your business with less technological distractions.